When I have potatoes and ground beef at home, I always make this fantastic recipe. To start, let's cut 4 potatoes into medium pieces. I'd like to know, how do you usually prepare potatoes and ground beef? After cutting, transfer the potatoes to a pot. Cover the potatoes with water, add a teaspoon of salt, and let them cook. Meanwhile, heat a skillet with a little olive oil. Add a chopped onion and 3 minced garlic cloves. Sauté well, and take the opportunity to tell me where you're watching us from. I want to send you a special hug. After the onion and garlic are well sautéed, add 600 grams of ground beef. Mix everything and let it fry for about 2 minutes. Today's hug goes to Laura from California. Thank you for commenting and sharing our videos. Season with a teaspoon of salt, black pepper, and paprika. Mix well to ensure the seasonings are fully incorporated into the meat. You're going to love the final result of this recipe. Next, add 2 diced tomatoes and half a green bell pepper. Mix again and let it cook for another 3 minutes. While the meat is cooking, remove the potatoes from the heat. Drain the water and add the potatoes to the skillet with the meat. Add chopped parsley to taste for that final touch of freshness. Now comes the special part. In a bowl, add an egg and beat well. After beating the egg, add 200 grams of heavy cream, a tablespoon of cream cheese, and a pinch of salt. Stir well until all ingredients are perfectly combined. Now let's assemble our recipe. Take a baking dish and pour in the meat with the potatoes. Arrange everything neatly with the help of a spatula. Write your favorite recipe in the comments because I love discovering new ideas. Then carefully pour the creamy mixture we just prepared over it, ensuring it covers all the ingredients. To finish, sprinkle 100 grams of shredded mozzarella on top. Now just bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 30 minutes. After that, take it out of the oven and see how amazing it looks. The ground beef with potatoes is ready, creamy, gratin, and irresistible. Make this recipe at home and come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure it'll be a hit at your table. Thank you for watching this video. I can't wait to see you in the next recipe. See you soon.